What's up, everybody? In this video, we're going to take a look at Flow. It's a cryptocurrency that I have not really heard much about, but I did notice it's seeing some juicy gains right now. So we're going to take a look at its CoinMarketCap listing here, see if we can't dig up a little bit of information on this coin called Flow. We'll take a look at the price action currently for the chart. You can see it's seeing a very nice pump here on the daily. And we'll take a look at their website and see if we can't dig into some of this information and see if this is something we might want to invest in. So if that sounds good to you guys and you're a fan of cryptocurrency, you're not in the wrong place. You would consider hitting the subscribe button, joining our community here on YouTube, and smashing that like button really helps out a lot. You wouldn't believe the difference you can make just by hitting that like button a couple times for me. Well, once preferably. Thank you guys for all the support, and we'll jump right on into this video. Alright, so first we'll take a look at CoinMarketCap here. You can see Flow, ticker FLOW. It's trading at $15.40 currently, up 30%. Just about in the past 24 hours. Let's see what we got here. We have market cap currently at 655 million. We have volume here, 24-hour trading volume at 308 million USD. Circulating supply, 42 million Flow coins. Circulating supply, it looks like you have here 1 billion, what is that, 1.3 billion max supply. So that's honestly not too high of a max supply there for this coin. So we'll continue here, look at this. So I did notice the chart, man, honestly looked decent here. In my opinion, the chart looked good when I noticed it on CoinMarketCap. Let's see where you can actually buy some of this at. So you can get Flow on Kraken or Huobi Global. Looks like that's the main ones here for purchasing this cryptocurrency. So next what we're going to do is just jump on into the website real quick, and we'll take a look at this for you guys. All right, guys, so we're over here on onflow.org. Excuse me. Open Worlds. Flow is a new blockchain built for the next generation of apps, games, and the digital assets that power them. So bringing blockchain into the gaming sector. So we'll take a look at this website real quick. Flow crypto token is not available on Uniswap. Just wanted to point that out. Looks like there is a video here. You guys can come check this out if you want to watch this video and check it out. I'm sure it has some decent information on this token, but we won't watch that in this video. We're going to go through this, and make sure you stay tuned, guys, because I will be doing some technical analysis on Flow's price action right now towards the end of this video. So make sure you stay tuned for that. But first, I would like to just kind of learn here what this token actually is and what its use case is, what it does. So let's see here. Home to the world's most vibrant communities. This is looking good here. You can see Flow was designed from the ground up as a foundation for internet scale protocols and applications that also require exceptional user experience. Conceived by the team behind CryptoKitties. Not sure if any of you guys are familiar with CryptoKitties, but I believe it is. You can access CryptoKitties on the Coinbase Wallet app, I believe. When you go to the dApps section there, the decentralized apps section, Flow was developed and stress tested with top global partners and is now open for anyone to contribute to and benefit from. I guess you can see here, partners, community here, CryptoKitties, NBA, Top Shot, UFC, Dr. Seuss, Samsung, Ubisoft, which is gaming. I'm not sure what that says. Warner Music Group and Genies. So pretty significant there. You know, you got the NBA, Samsung, UFC, Dr. Seuss, pretty significant there, guys. UFC digital collectibles coming soon. Collect the best of UFC, buy, sell, trade, and collect. Guys, I could see this being pretty popular. Okay. Okay, so this is giving anyone with a reliable internet connection the ability to participate in the Flow network as a validator for Flow. At a variety of computational and financial tiers. So that is pretty interesting there. No sharding. Nobody likes sharding. Digital or not. Smart contracts and user accounts on Flow can always interact with each other in one atomic, consistent, isolated, and durable ACID or ACID transaction. In other words, all applications on Flow can run in the same shared execution state. This ensures Flow apps benefit from great user experience and full composability, letting developers easily build on each other's work. Okay, sharding and layer 2 solutions break composability and reduce network effects for dApps and smart contracts by removing ACID guarantees from the execution environment. On Flow, every application can be a platform. Very interesting here. Read more in Flow Primer. As again, guys, you can check out onflow.org if you guys would want to come check this out for yourselves and maybe go dig a little bit deeper in here. But I just wanted to cover the basics of this before I check out the price action. Really wanted to cover how it works here. And for those of you that don't understand a lot of this technical jargon, me included, guys, you know, it may not make absolute sense right away to you, but like I said, you can come on onflow.org, you can check out the white paper, you can dig a little bit deeper if you would like on Flow and technical details. So Flow is designed for high throughput, low latency consumer applications, games, and digital assets. Protocol level usability and onboarding features make it easy to bring new users, while a new decentralized architecture ensures security at scale. Join the Flow Alpha community. Technical papers. Interested in how it all works under the hood? The Flow technical papers are more than 100 lovingly crafted pages across multiple white papers, resulting in a complete specification of the Flow system and its most important components. So unless you are very, very, very tech savvy, I'm assuming that we probably won't understand anything in the technical papers, guys. For those of you that are very, very tech savvy, though, you know, maybe this would be something you'd be interested in looking into. I do want to mention the fact that just the fact that this crypto token has this available, right? Their technical details, the website looks good. The use case, I'm still kind of unsure about. Like I said, some of it's just a little bit too technical jargon for me, and for most of you guys, most of you average Joes out there as well. So, but it's looking good. Lots of good partnerships. You know, it seems like they have good backing. They're very transparent here, it seems like. What is this here? Quotables. Blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize consumer ownership on the internet. Projects like Dapper Labs, Flow is already driving consumer adoption, with NBA Top Shot proving the experience is not only engaging but smooth and fan-friendly. So this is, looks like a player from the NBA Miami Heat quoted this about Flow here. Let's see, there's a couple others. NBA Brooklyn Nets, Spencer Dinwiddie. Blockchain is going to fundamentally alter the financial industry and have a major impact on consumers. Flow can create the vehicle for consumers to enter this space through products like NBA Top Shot, where they have fun, but at the same time create a new self-sovereignty. That's big, man. Let's see who this is. Joe Lalou, CEO of Bison Trails. Not really sure what Bison Trails is. Maybe that's some kind of game, maybe. Flow's innovative multi-role architecture, resource-oriented programming, developer ergonomics, easy consumer onboarding, resource pricing, and storage deposits will be an asset to the industry at large. So we have some backing here. We have some interesting shout outs from some NBA players. Okay, here you go. Flow community. Guys, just look at this, man. I mean, you have a lot here. You have the UFC, NBA, Warner Music Group, Binance, Circle, Samsung, Berkeley, University of California, Purdue University. There's that Bison Trails, Block Party, Staked. I mean, just goes on and on. There's Anchor, Kraken, Dr. Seuss. This is T-Mobile Systems here. Guys, so this is looking decent here. What do we have here? Here's our backers. So this is great, guys. This is beautiful. This is a well set up website, very transparent website, and I'm digging this. Okay, you have let's see, CMT Digital. You have Samsung Next, Coin Fund, Digital Currency Group, Coinbase, Distributed Global, Blockchain, Venrock, Warner Music Group here as backers. You have all these pretty well-known backers. I mean, there's quite a few here that I've not heard of, guys. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this so far. And that looks like it for the website, guys. If, like I said, I won't dig into much more of this, right? You can go to About Flow up here. You can check out their token economics, token distribution, technical papers, their team right here. Let's check out that real quick. Let's just click on their team real quick. And we'll check that out. I do like doing this. And this is another thing I like. When you see these new cryptos, or well, this may not actually be fairly new. We'll take a look at that. But when they are transparent like this, looks like a good, decent group of people here on their team, which of course you can't go by looks, guys, but lots of information on each team member as well. This is good. This looks very legitimate here. Very legitimate. And in a world of thousands of different random cryptocurrencies, it's nice to see one that looks very legitimate here. Pretty large team here. This is a very large team, guys. I mean, they actually have a pretty decent sized team here, guys. and decent looking people here. Lots of info on each team member. You know, you can see some of these lower cap newer coins, man. You go to their website and it'll say team, but it'll show like 3 little pictures of their team members, and it's like 3 guys, and there's no info on any of the team members. So this is good. Transparency is great right now in the space, because if you don't have that, you know, I mean, people may still jump into your coins, but transparency like this is definitely huge. So without wasting any more time, once again, come check out onflow.org if you want to check it out more than what I read over here. But like I said, I just want to give you guys a basic rundown of this token before I check out the price action. So next, what I'll do is go ahead and check out the chart here. And I've got it on the daily chart first. You can see that here on the Kraken chart, the price action only dates back to about January of this year, the end of January of this year. And I didn't really dig into that enough to see when the token was created, actually. But it could be still a fairly new coin. However, it is trading at $15 currently. And if you look at this chart, man, you can just see here that what's happened here. You've came down, you've caught this support down here, almost perfectly down here from the beginning of the price action. We'll put this line in here. Hold this support right there at about 592 to be exact. You're getting a nice push here on the daily. Let's drop it down to the 4-hour and see if our EMAs will show up a little bit better here, and they will. Okay, so you can see what's happening right now. Okay, we've had this these moving averages kind of holding the price action down, pushing you down. Every time you try to come up, it's been pushing you down, but you can see that you finally you did break above it here, right? You broke above your price action, then you caught a little bit of support on that with the price action on your EMA. And I'm not sure what's up with this large candle here, this large wick, but whether it was, you know, a glitch or manipulation or just actual price action playing out like that, even no matter how that happened there, that large wick on the 4-hour, it wicked down perfectly to your EMA, and you got a enormous bounce there on it with volume. Okay, with volume. So, and you're still trying to push to the upside here and trade out to the upside. So this is looking good on the hourly for this coin, guys. So next, what I'll do is kind of get an idea of maybe some possible resistance that we might catch up here, which there really doesn't seem to be a whole lot to pay attention to. I mean, possibly up here around 1750 in the short term, and in the longer term up here around looks like about 24.25. I'm gonna say 24.25 there. So I'll put a line up here, and we can also speculate this 1750 resistance up here as possible resistance here in the future as well. So we'll put a line in there. It's at about 1750, 1747, 1750, whatever you want to say there. But those are some areas to pay attention to here to the upside for this coin. Honestly though, it's seeing some nice momentum here, and you do have these on the 4-hour, you have your moving averages about to cross here. Okay, if this continues up just a little bit more, if we continue up here, this will put in a nice cross there for the moving averages, and that's bullish, guys. That's pretty bullish there for this coin for flow. So let's see if flow will continue to flow to the upside. Nice, very nice reversal playing out here. As I said, possible resistance here, not real significant though, so we'll have to see if that were to play out. And if we were to retrace a little bit, I'm thinking about it right here would hold if we were to come on down and retrace a little bit and catch a bounce, right? That's at about 1250. So what I'll do is go ahead and put in another line there at about 1250. That could be your possible retrace target there, about 1250. You're at $15 now. So like I said, on the 4-hour here, if it were to retrace a little bit after seeing this nice push to the upside, I'd say about 1250, guys. If I can get that in there, about 1250. Give or take about 1250 here, in my opinion. In and around that price area, right? 1240 to 1250. There, $12.50. So flow is looking good, in my opinion. Nice breakout here. You know, very nice break to the upside here. If this will continue, this is definitely going to be bullish here for this coin. And, you know, we've seen a lot of altcoins currently in the price action, seeing some nice moves right now. So, you know, could we be seeing the bull run starting to continue here, and with the altcoins leading the way? We'll have to see, and we'll pay attention to that in some later updates. So make sure if you're new to the channel, you hit that subscribe button, smash that like button for me just to show some support. If you're a generous person, if you're nice, and you want to help me get this video out to people and grow this channel, and also join the community, man. Join the free Discord, link in the description down below. Check out some of my other updates, and guys, I'll see you in the next one.